students, welcome, and today we will discuss writing task 1. So in this task 1 we have hydroelectric power station. This is a process diagram and we have to show that how the diagram works, how electricity is generated through the power station, what happens during the daytime and what happens during the night time. So let's look at during the daytime first. So what happens is that water from the higher level reservoir moves down and goes to the generator, right? And then electricity is produced which moves through the power lines to the national grid. Okay, and the rest of the water moves to the low level reservoir. This is what happens during the daytime. The inlets or the intakes are open. An inlet is basically kind of like a obstruction. It is open during the daytime for the water to move from the high level reservoir to the low level reservoir. Okay, see here it says flow of water. So the water flows downstream during the daytime. Now what happens during the night time? During the night time, the water moves from the low level reservoir to the high level reservoir. How? Through pumps. So flow water during pumping, and the intake is closed. The intake is closed. Why? So that the water from the high level reservoir does not move back to the lower level reservoir. Now, how does this happen? How does during the night time the water moves from the low level reservoir to the high level reservoir? Through these reversible turbines. When the reversible turbine is operating, it creates a pressure which makes the water run through the opposite direction. It moves upstream. The water is moving upstream. So it states that flow water during pumping night. The reversible turbines are running, due to which they create a pressure. Now the pressure makes the water flow from the lower level reservoir to the higher level reservoir. Okay. So how will you divide this into introduction, overall, body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2? So in the introduction, we can write how electricity is produced in the hydroelectric power station. Okay. While in your overall, you can describe the process. You can say that the process is divided into two parts: the day part and the night part. And in the day part, how electricity is produced, and in the night, how water moves from the low level reservoir to the high level reservoir. In your body paragraph 1, you have to illustrate further how electricity is produced, right? Water moves from high level reservoir, goes to the generator, and through the generator, electricity moves to the power line to the national grid. While in your body paragraph 2, you will describe how reversible turbine works and water flows from the low level reservoir to the high level reservoir. You also have to describe the opening of the intake during the daytime as well as closing during the night time. Okay. So this is writing task 1, and how does a hydroelectric power station work. If you need the complete answer, I'll post it on our Instagram. And thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button